Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about data analysis with R programming. That is the second last course in Google Data Analytics certification, and we are into third module, that is week 3 final challenge. It is consisting of 10 questions and I'll proceed with the answers now. So the first question will be: a data analyst creates a data frame with data that has more than 50,000 observations in it. When they print their data frame, it slows down their console. To avoid this, they decide to switch to a table. Why would a table be more useful in this situation? The answer is table won't overload the console because they automatically only print the first 10 rows of the data and as many variables as they will fit on the screen. So table makes printing in R easier. They won't accidentally overload the data analyst console because they are automatically set to pull up only first 10 rows and many columns. Based on the screen resolution, the columns are going to be there and the number of rows are going to be 10 only. So that is automatic set on the tables. Second, data analyst wants a quick summary of the structure of their data frame, including the column names and the number of rows and variables. What function should they use? So uh, they can use string str function, which returns a summary of the structure of data frame, including column names. It basically returns the schema of the data frame, and it will have the size and all. Third will be you are working with a two row data set. You want to use the glimpse function to get the quick summary of the data set. You want to uh, summary of the data set, write the code chunk that will give you that summary. You can just use this one. So it gives you the summary. As you can see, observations are 60. How many variables are there? 3. The length are is in this manner, and these are the summary. You can see how many variables that uh, this data sets contain is 3, as we have the data over here. You can run this and you can have the clear idea about it. R is basically like a little complicated, but once you get the hands-on experience on R, it's quite easy to use. But still, you need some good hands-on experience with it. Fourth one will be a data analyst is working with the Penguins dataset. What code chunk does the analyst write to make sure all the column names are unique and consistent and contains only letters, numbers, and underscore? Clean names is the method that we can use. Clean names and the dataset that we have, penguins. So it will make sure that all the columns are unique and they have the clear constant formatting that they need to have. Fifth one is our data analyst is working with the penguins dataset in R. What code chunk will allow them to sort the penguins data by the variable bill length So arrange penguins bill length Uh, this will what this method will do. This will arrange functions allow to sort the data set according to bill length and all the data set will be sorted on the basis of this column only that we wanted actually. Sixth one, you are working with the penguins dataset. You want to use the summarize and min function to use to find the minimum value and the variable bill depth mm. For the variable bill depth you write the following code. So penguins drop NA and group by. Cool. So when we are going to execute this one, and this code over here, as I had executed before, I think it has been removed. Yeah. So the question is, what is the minimum build depth in for chin strap species? You can see when we executed the summary also, you have seen that for chin strap, we got the answer here as 16.4. So you can use summary as well, summarize, and it will give you the minimum of build depth Seventh is a data analyst is working with a data frame called salary data. They want to create a new column named hourly salary that includes data from the wages column divided by 40. What code chunk lets the analyst create the hourly salary column? So mutate method is being used on salary, and we are storing hourly salary equal to wages by 40. So this method is going to fulfill our requirement, and you can use it if you want, but for your clarification on it. Eighth one is a data analyst is working on a data frame named customers. It has separate columns for area code and phone numbers. The analyst wants to combine the two columns into a single column called phone number with the area code and the phone number separated by a hyphen. What code chunk lets the analyst create the phone number column? So what the phone number is going to be is unite customers. Customer is the data set. Phone number, that variable we want to create, and area code and phone number separated by one hyphen is going to be there. So this will give you the phone number column as new, and it will consist the phone number and the area code separated by a hyphen. Ninth one is a data analyst is using a statistical measure to get a better understanding of their data. What functions they can use to determine how strongly related are two of the variables. So correlations, we can use correlation, which method we can use G.S.R. This will give the correlation between two variables, and it will display how strongly the two variables are connected. Tenth one is a data analyst is studying weather data. They write the following code chunk: bias, actual temp, predicted temp. What the code chunk will calculate? So the average difference between actual and predicted values. So on the basis of the dates, it is going to check about the actual temperature and predicted temperature and give the average difference between them. So these are the questions for our third week, and I hope that you have liked the video, and I'll be uploading many more videos like this in future. So please do subscribe to the channel, and thank you.